Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to adjust the brightest areas of a video in Canva? The highlight setting lets you control the bright parts of your video. This can help recover details in bright areas or create a brighter visual effect. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust video highlights in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. You can open an existing video project or create a new one. For this example, I'll create a new project. Tap Video. Canva offers several video formats you can choose from. For this example, I'll select YouTube video. Choose a template to continue. Once the video editor opens, tap the video clip you want to edit. Swipe through the editing tools below the timeline until you find Adjust. Then tap Adjust. A list of adjustment options will appear. Swipe through the adjustment options until you find Highlights. Then tap Highlights. A slider will appear. Drag the slider to the right to increase the highlights, or drag the slider to the left to decrease the highlights. Adjust the highlights until you're satisfied with the result. Once you're finished, tap the X icon, then tap the checkmark icon. The new highlight setting will be applied to your video, and that's how to adjust video highlights in Canva Mobile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.